today is a very special day for us, and the box over here represents a journey that started with a camera, an idea, and all of you watching it.
And I remember starting our channel somewhere in September 2020, and the whole idea about starting this channel was because we love traveling and we used to watch so many people making vlogs, vlogging their journeys, and we were like, why can't we start it? So that's how we started this channel.
And our very first video was walking over the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and it was a very awkward experience, to be honest, because that was the first time we were holding a camera vlogging, and there's so many people walking past us and watching us like what exactly we are doing. So it was very awkward experience, but we ended up uploading that video. And our very first international trip was Bali. And after that COVID happened, so for nearly 2 years we were locked in Australia. We couldn't travel anywhere, we couldn't do much content.
Even interstate, right?
We couldn't even travel interstate, and so it was like we were not able to upload much content during that period of time. But after COVID, we were able to travel to Vietnam, Philippines, Korea, Japan as well. And it's been a long journey, and we are full-time software engineer, so we do 9-to-5 job, and after that we do the editing and everything. So it's been a difficult journey, but we are not complaining, and we are happy that we finally reached the milestone of 100k subscribers on Feb 14, 2026. That's on the Valentine's Day, and after 2 days we got the invite from YouTube to apply for the silver button, and within 2 weeks we got the silver button, and it arrived exactly on Amrita's birthday. So let's unbox. Go for it.
Okay, so the box, it says YouTube on it. Woohoo! We got a letter from YouTube. That's how it is.
What does it say?
It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know you will definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Blah, 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 blah. And this looks so nice. I think we should frame it.
Yeah, definitely. I love the paper quality as well. Wow. Yeah, that one will be framed for sure. What else?
We have this foam, black foam covering the water.
The drum rolls.
We got a card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone.
Okay.
That's the award. Let me open the cover. Yay! It's shining!
It says presented to Amrita and Sathya for passing 100,000 subscribers. Yay!
Engraved. It's so nice. It feels so good.
Feels so good to finally hold the silver button. We have been waiting for it from past 5 years. We are there now finally, and I hope we don't take another 5 years to reach the next 100,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. It's free, and it will help us to grow more. And we are also on Instagram. The handle is Amrita and Sathya. We'll leave the details in the description, but if you want our latest up-to-date travel journeys, please follow us on Instagram. And again, thanks guys for supporting us, for watching our videos, sharing, commenting. And if you have any questions related to our journey so far, please drop it in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer.